Hey, hi, what's up, YouTube? It's me, Ansem Water, and I'm gonna be doing a service now on YouTube for flashing Xboxes to read burnt games. And yeah, I could do some slims and certain and all fat models. Like the slim has to be before 2013 on the MFR date. And yeah, this is all my equipment. And then here's one of my flash consoles I'm using right now. And yeah, and I'll show you all the ones I've done so far. Like, where are they at? Okay. These are all the drives I have flashed so far. And yeah, I've been doing this for a while, but I just started doing slims. I just got this tool, these, in the mail. Came from freaking Hong Kong, took freaking forever. But yeah, I charged 20 bucks plus shipping for the fat models, and then I charged 45 for the slims plus the shipping. So it'll probably go out to maybe like 30 bucks for the fats and maybe 55 bucks for the slim. So yeah, if you guys are interested, hit me up. Contact me on YouTube, PM me, send an email to my xeepiccoaster@gmail.com. So yeah, if you guys want anything flashed, thank you. And in the future, I'm going to be recording me flashing devices like Xboxes and phones and things like that. I'm going to be recording me doing that, so I have proof. But yeah, so peace out, guys.